Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the only reliable Google Drive photo backup method. First, sign in and verify you have enough drive space. Once signed in, install Google Drive for desktop on a PC or open the Google Photos app on your phone. Make sure backup and sync or upload from device is enabled and choose whether to upload in original or high quality. Start by selecting the specific folders or camera roll you want backed up. This immediate selection initiates the continuous sync process. Once initial setup is done, refine how syncing behaves so it matches your routine. Open Drive for desktop preferences or photo settings, set upload size, and choose Wi-Fi only if you want to avoid mobile data charges. Enable automatic organization options like albums and date grouping so your photos stay searchable. Use selective sync to exclude bulky folders you don't need in Drive. These choices control bandwidth, storage consumption, and the exact set of images that will be continuously backed up for you. Finalize by confirming that recent photos appear with correct timestamps in Google Photos and the Drive folder. Once done, test by taking a new photo and watching it upload. Verify file count and thumbnails match. If uploads stall, pause and resume sync, or restart the app to force reconnection. Make sure to re-authenticate if permissions change, clear app cache for persistent issues, or free drive storage when nearly full. This single troubleshooting step resolves most common sync failures and keeps backups reliable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.